Дякую.
Дякуємо.
Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Hello friends, I was not planning to record this video and I'm just say from my heart what I'm feeling. So I want to thank you all for help, not only from me, from medical company, from battalions, other combat medics, from civilian doctors and the medics, nurses, for your help. By the way, it's 14th of August, 15:29 right now. So a few minutes ago we have bombing and artillery. All this stuff, all this medical supplement we have here right now, and another help us in this difficult task, in this mission. So I just want to say thank you. God bless you.